7 years old. I'm making a fireless cooking Rosy Delight. The ingredients are bread, dry coconut powder, some fresh cream and some rose syrup. So let's get started. I have put this star shape in the bread. Now I have to keep it out and then see, this is the star shape. I am putting the bread here and I am giving some fresh cream in the bread, and don't give so much that it should be in. So here it's one, and now it's been just see, it's like this. Now put it in the dry fresh coconut powder and see here. Now see, my Rosy Delight is ready. Thank you for watching my video.